Top 5 present ideas for a baby shower. At the point when a companion or a relative has an infant, it is standard to toss them a child shower, to commend the way that they are carrying another life into the world. A child shower resembles a tranquil gathering, ordinarily in the beneficiary's home, or near where they live. It's anything but a distraught gathering in light of the fact that being pregnant is tiring. In any case, it very well may be a little gathering where individuals bring party nourishments, or they have tea with their lunch. The point of the infant shower is to assist the beneficiary with getting everything that they have to bring up a kid. In this way, everybody that is going to the gathering will bring a blessing. The blessing isn't really pointed towards the mother, it is more planned for something the mother may need to bring up the kid. In this manner, the infant shower is held near the due date, since that is the point at which the guardians will get ready for the infant's appearance. On the off chance that you are going to a child shower in the coming months, at that point read on to discover what the best 5 presents for an infant shower are. Top 5. 1. Child bassinet. An infant bassinet is like a convenient bed for the infant. It is some place for the infant to rest when it isn't in the fundamental bed. Moms for the most part keep them in the lounge, particularly when the child is infant and rests a ton. This is more affordable than a bunk, and it tends to be taken with the mother on the off chance that she goes out. 2. Bed. Buying a bunk is a decent choice for an infant shower blessing since it is a major cost for the mother, however it is an extravagant blessing. It should possibly be considered on the off chance that you have all clubbed your cash together to get one. 3. Diaper genie. A diaper genie resembles a versatile canister that is made explicitly for the messy nappies. Individuals for the most part keep them beside their changing tables or first floor where it is effectively available. The cover seals so no dreadful scents will get out, that is the reason it is appropriate for any place in the house, and it spares the mother from rushing to the receptacle. 4. Face cloths. In the child's life, the mother is going to utilize a lot of kitty aprons to get slobber, wipe the infant's nose, and even to get runaway nourishment. A few guardians can experience in excess of 20 face cloths before the child is mature enough to get nourishment into their mouth without spilling. It is ideal on the off chance that you go for a kitty apron from a better quality organization with the goal that it keeps going longer, and a portion of these organizations will sell their napkins in packs. 5. Garments. From the minute the infant is conceived, the individual in question is going to require garments. Thusly, it may be a smart thought to purchase the child some infant garments. In the event that you don't have a clue about the sex of the child, at that point you should adhere to impartial hues. Be that as it may, in the event that you do know, at that point you can purchase the suitable shading. On the off chance that the dad likes sports, it may be a smart thought to get a few rompers from his preferred group, with the goal that he feels more included. Click the link below to get the best product in the market. It's an affiliate link.